welcome back to another video. Guys, I totally forget to me get up and I go vlog today. Jesus. But I left house already. Get up this morning, just get up on bed and leave the house. I went to the doctor, so just coming back from the doctor's, and I made a stop to get a hair, a braid, a pre-stretch braid, so I can do my hair. Maybe I forget to take up my tripod, everything. Can I say a proper vlogging me I do today, man? I say a proper something I say me I get up and do. I plan it in my head, everything. Only if you know, say, when me reach, me and the receptionist with our chat and ask her to sit and totally forget to me a vlog. So me I go vlog. And then going to the doctor office, then the doctor start straight from where me go there for. But everything is fine. That's the good thing. And my honestly, the thing is, my pressure was, it did way improved from the other times that when I go. I'm just take my pill. Huge improvement. As the doctor to me, doctor said, Karina, put on weight. Yeah, me no father God. The mother doctor me know. Yeah, doctor say, a company scale, me say a liar tell. Me and you now go on no scale today. Yeah. So me decide say me no want how much me weigh, make that stay. That's doctor that I want next visit. Next visit I feel a little bit more confident. That's not for today. But guys, my day is going good so far right now. My appointment is 11 o'clock. I pray it stay because maybe I forgot work. So I pray, you know, she come right now mood in mind like how I finish everything, because I kind of leave out early because I think the doctor office is full. But as I go, I get through. And I show me the day talk why I stay so long. So yeah, my day is going good. You know, I go around there, so now go all up time until my hairdresser call me. And yeah, so see you guys then. Alright, so I make a detour. I realize remember say my eyebrow one shave, so instead of me go sit down idle until the time ready, I go stop at the barber. So I'm at the barber shop now, but when I'm looking at the shop, I see somebody eat. And I know say I be a cussing for me. And look like all two man in there. Then I not get truth, you know. But you know me, I go in there, go. So I can, because I just my eyebrow, them I do the entire head. So my girl now go see if I can get my eyebrows shaved. So when I come from the edges, I'm not have to stop again. Me finish, guys. Finish my eyebrow. But me something then the hairdresser shall run late. Me say I'll be a grey hair fly for me in a barber shop. Be a grey hair. Your grey hair full me. Can I want a fan? So while I'm at something there. While I'm at cut a man them ear, just a fly for me. It's not safe. But yeah, guys, my hair just run late, so I hope right now I have to go call Serbia and tell him some run late if he have to go work, he can go tomorrow. Like something then when they making plans, then may mash you up. I'm gonna tell him I know and ask. Tell him I run late. and if it possibly can go work tomorrow because my ear want comb and me can't bother for when morning time this a comb. I gotta work with it 2 days like a mad smaddy. Yeah, me can't do this. It's a very active week, 2 weeks me have ahead of me. Can't manage this. But yeah, I'm trying to my sister, you know. I pray she call me soon so she reach. Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing well. Thanks for the subscriber. When I get 2 subscribers, I'm gonna appreciate it. I appreciate it so much. Thank you guys for subscribing. Yeah. Oh, see, she called me. She called me, guys. Hey guys, me just reached back home, like literally. So me not even come out of the car. But this is my hairstyle. Got my eyebrows shaved. This is my hairstyle, just a regular Karro go back. I get the style of a Pinterest. Yeah, of a Pinterest. I get the style, but yeah, can serve me for 2 weeks. The 2 hectic weeks that is. I'll be having at work, so I'm gonna have to get up and I think about the hair for comb the hair and all of that. But yeah guys, this is what I did for my Saturday weekend. I'm going to get something now for eat because I'm well hungry. The only thing me eat from morning was the bun and me just eat it because I take my pill. See that? Just my bun. So, pack up my garbage them and come out and sweep it people. But yeah, I'm gonna get something to eat now. Them are not cook, I'm asking if they cook him, say not cook. So I'm gonna find something to eat, munch pan until I finish cook. So, yeah, I'm gonna buy a swatter. So a zapper. Buy a zapper. Because every minute Milo we did have about 2 and Milo bang it until it mash up. And every night in my bag for mosquito, so I buy a zapper. Them don't know so I buy a zapper. So we're going in. No, go and put that down that so you eat something already. Daddy gone to the bathroom for a meeting. Daddy have meeting. So guys, me come in and me make one sandwich. Watch ya! I will ask them from my phone. So yeah, me make one sandwich. Wait upon them are for doing mackerel because you know when they do mackerel. I can't do mackerel like him. Press that thing. No, that's cereal potato. Unless you're going to have cereal, are you going to drink cereal? Alright. Come. Come on, make this. We're going to drink everything in a potato. So much ants come from behind the phone. Nah, give him a lot of milk. Because so I was going to make some. I'm going to make the phone. I was going to make some Frank to but since I'm drinking cereal, just do something for myself. So them are cool. Them are clean from yesterday. Them are clean from yesterday. So I'm finish up today. Look, I can finish up today. Clean the kitchen and sometimes metal. They're easy to clean. Just do an egg sandwich because I'm hungry, man. As much as I give me lunch cereal, I pray and drink coffee and cereal, you know. As much as I give me cereal, when you see me with me sandwich, probably I'm going to want. But I just start trying with these. These cereal, but just start giving cereal overall. I normally give him cereal. So I just start trying with these. Him drink one already. So let's see if him drink this one. Well, if you and Paw Patrol can load some of these gifts into that fancy plate, you can help me deliver. Get a ride with me, Percy. Yay! Alright guys, so I'm gonna just finish about something to eat, my sandwich. So I'm about to eat. Just want to thank you guys for watching and thank you for the new subscribers again. Appreciate you guys. Continue to help me share my videos, continue to comment, and you know, just enjoy it. Love you guys. Bye. See you next time.